Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that you have enough money to handle an emergency, take your dream vacation, or even start your own business. Not because you won the lottery, not because you got a huge salary increase, but because of one simple habit. Now here's something surprising. Millions of people in Japan have practiced a money-saving method for generations. It doesn't require a high-paying job. It doesn't require investing thousands of dollars. In fact, many students, workers, and ordinary families use it every single day. So, what is this incredible secret? Stay with me until the end, because this simple Japanese habit could completely change the way you think about money forever. Meet Kenji. Kenji was a 24-year-old office worker living in Tokyo. Like many young adults, he dreamed of traveling the world, buying his own apartment, and living without financial stress. But there was one problem. At the end of every month, his bank account was almost empty. His salary wasn't terrible. In fact, many people earned less than he did. So where did all his money go? Coffee every morning, food delivery after work, online shopping during weekends, small purchases that didn't seem important. It was only $5. It was just one more meal. I deserve this. Those words slowly became his biggest financial enemy. One evening, Kenji visited his grandmother. She noticed he looked worried. "What happened?" she asked. Kenji sighed. "I work hard every day, but I never have enough money." His grandmother smiled. She walked to an old wooden shelf and brought back a small notebook. The notebook looked ordinary. No fancy cover, no technology, just paper. "This," she said, "changed our family's life." Kenji looked confused. "A notebook?" She nodded. "This is called Kakeibo." For more than 100 years, many Japanese families have used Kakeibo, a simple budgeting journal that helps people become more aware of their spending. Instead of asking, "How much money do I have?" Kakeibo asks a different question. "What kind of life do I want my money to create?" That question changed everything. The next morning, Kenji bought a notebook. Before spending anything, he wrote down 4 simple questions. How much money do I have? How much do I want to save? How much am I spending? How can I improve? At first, it felt strange. But after only 1 week, something incredible happened. He noticed patterns. Most of his money wasn't disappearing because of big expenses. It was disappearing because of hundreds of tiny decisions. One coffee, one unnecessary app, one impulse purchase, one late-night online order. None of them seemed expensive alone. Together, they were stealing his future. So Kenji made a small promise. He wouldn't stop enjoying life. He would simply become intentional. Instead of buying coffee every morning, he made it at home 3 days a week. Instead of ordering food 5 days a week, he learned 2 simple recipes. Before buying anything online, he waited 24 hours. If he still wanted it tomorrow, he bought it. Most of the time, he didn't. Month after month, something amazing happened. His savings quietly grew, not because he became rich, because he became aware. His confidence grew with every dollar he saved. For the first time in years, he stopped worrying about unexpected expenses. Then, one day, an emergency happened. His laptop suddenly stopped working. Months earlier, this would have been a disaster. This time, he smiled. He paid for the repair using his savings. No debt, no stress, no panic. That moment taught him something priceless. Saving money isn't about becoming wealthy overnight. It's about buying peace of mind. This is the real Japanese money-saving secret. It isn't extreme frugality. It isn't giving up happiness. It's learning to make every dollar serve a purpose. Money is like water. If you don't guide it, it flows away. But when you give it direction, it helps build the life you dream about. Today, many people believe they need a bigger salary before they can save. But the truth is often the opposite. People who learn to save first usually become better at building wealth later, because discipline is more valuable than income. Imagine saving just $5 every day. That may not sound exciting, but over 1 year, that's more than $1,800. More importantly, it's proof that small habits create big results. The biggest lesson from Japan isn't about money, it's about mindfulness. Every purchase tells a story. Every dollar is a vote for the future you want. So before buying something today, pause for just 10 seconds and ask yourself one question. Will this bring me temporary happiness or lasting value? That single question could save you thousands over the years. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start saving. You start saving to become financially stronger. As Kenji discovered, the journey to financial freedom doesn't begin with a bigger paycheck. It begins with one small decision made today, and tomorrow another small decision, then another, until one day you look back and realize those tiny choices completely changed your life. If this story inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend or family member who wants to save more and stress less. Leave a comment below and tell us, what's one small expense you're going to cut this week? If you're ready to learn more life-changing lessons from around the world, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next inspiring story. Remember, your future isn't built by one big decision. It is built by the small choices you make every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.